Dogelon Mars really seems to be a great investment choice out there, but how much do you really need to make six figures within the next few years? Stick around until the end of the video to find out. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we'll discuss how much Dogelon Mars you need to make six figures. But before that, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on that notification bell to stay notified. Let's head into it. Dogelon Mars, the best investment right now? In case you haven't heard, Dogelon Mars ELON is one of the several dog meme tokens that have sprung out in response to Dogecoin and, in particular, Elon Musk. It is one of the numerous dog meme tokens that are inspired by Dogecoin and, more specifically, by Elon Musk, and which are available for purchase. When it comes to cryptocurrencies, the owner of Tesla and SpaceX is considered somewhat of a laughingstock in the business, and he is regularly seen talking about Bitcoin on his personal Twitter account. Dogelon Mars ELON, on the other hand, has no direct relation to Elon Musk himself, but the name has clearly had an influence, as seen by the fact that the ELON token now has more than 115,000 registered users. It is based on the Ethereum blockchain, which is one of the most well-known blockchains in the world. Dogelon Mars is a cryptocurrency that was launched in 2014. As a gift, Vitalik Buterin received a half of the token's total supply of 50%, with the remaining half owned by the exchange Uniswap. Dogelon Mars ELON functions in an identical fashion to any other ERC20 meme token, but as a result of its popular use, it has risen to third place on CoinMarketCap's list of the top meme tokens, trailing only Doge and SHIB currency. Taking place in the year 2040, Dogelon Mars' story takes place on the magnificent red beaches of Mars, where he was born and where he presently dwells with his wife and children. Where Dogelon Mars tells his story, they work together with the assistance of his friends and family to develop their burgeoning colony into a technological powerhouse that would benefit all species throughout the galaxy. In any case, this development was not supposed to persist for a lengthy amount of time, as the Annihilators arrived and immediately launched an attack on the settlement. Consequently, Dogelon Mars' journey across time and space to the planet Earth, where he expects to find safety and the beginning of a new adventure. If we take a step back and look at the big picture, Dogelon realizes that in order to promote humanity's specific growth, he must first create interplanetary money that can be used by all civilians, while also including the space-age technology that is rapidly approaching. A few years later, with the help of his newfound supporters, he strives to repopulate Mars and make it into the prosperous metropolis that it always was supposed to be. As he prepares to embark on his adventure around the cosmos, he sends a farewell letter to the inhabitants of Earth, which reads as follows: "My name is Dogelon. Mars is Dogelon's home planet. Come with me, and together we will reach for the stars." By the way, do you agree Dogelon Mars is the best investment choice right now? Let us know in the comments section down below. The price development in the next years. So, what does the company's long-term outlook look like? Because of Elon's immense potential, several partnerships and innovators may be able to assist in increasing the number of users and acceptance of its technology. If the market concentrates all of its attention on Dogelon Mars, the stock price might skyrocket by a huge margin. By 2022, it has the potential to reach a maximum value of 0.000002 per unit of currency. According to forecasts, the ELON will see a little turnaround in the event that the market continues to deteriorate. It is projected that the price of Dogelon Mars will surge in 2022 as a consequence of growing adoption and cooperation with other major blockchain networks. The greatest possible trading price for Dogelon Mars is expected to be $0.000004 in 2022. We might expect the pricing ranges to become fairly fashionable if we keep things the way they are right now. If all goes according to plan, we may expect an average price of $0.000003 in 2022, with a maximum price of $0.000005 at the time of publication. In accordance with the most current statistics, prices of Dogelon Mars ELON are predicted to reach a level that is comparable to their former all-time high by the year 2023. By 2023, we may expect an average price of $0.00001 per share on the stock market, assuming all goes according to plan. The maximum price of Dogelon Mars might reach $0.00015 by the year 2023. According to our projections, a market crash is always possible after a long bull run, which is common in the cryptocurrency market, especially after a long bull run. Dogelon ELON may be able to reach $0.00004 by 2024 with significant collaboration with financial institutions if the following conditions are met. The current price range of Mars may be of interest to many traders. As a result, ELON may be able to reach $0.0004 by 2024 with significant collaborations with financial institutions. Mars' current price range is likely to be of interest to a large number of traders. It has the potential to exceed the present price trend and reach new highs by the year 2024. With an average price of $0.00035 per share, the price tagline may change as a result of the probability of another upward surge in the Bitcoin market on its journey to 2024, as well as other factors. The Bitcoin market is driven by volatility, which is a natural phenomenon. It is challenging to foresee and keep up with the current price situation in today's world. This is when the expertise of a huge number of crypto analysts is brought into play. In this case, the pricing projections are correct for the years in question. Those interested in purchasing Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies are concerned about cryptocurrency prohibitions and extra restrictions. It is possible that the price of Dogelon Mars will hit $0.00015 in 2025. If the cryptocurrency market has a strong bull run, its average price of 2025 will be about $0.00012 due to the fact that it is expected to be retained by long-term investors. Also, make sure to write your thoughts on these price predictions in the comment section. How much do you need? When we take a look at the plethora of cryptocurrency options accessible, we can see that Dogelon Mars provides good results. Early investors are expected to make big contributions, which will result in even higher rewards. Dogelon Mars' investment analyst indicates that the cryptocurrency saw a probable profit in the last 6 months. And we can also see that there is a strong possibility that ELON will be able to return to the prior high value at some point in the future. Additional to that, there are a variety of cryptocurrencies, some of which, such as Dogelon Mars, need no initial investments and still deliver significant benefits. But how much money does it need to genuinely make 6 figures? Consider the case of an amount of $100,000, for example. Our anticipated pricing indicates that to actually make 6 figures in 2025, you'd need at least 666.7 million ELON coins. You might have as much as 6.6 billion ELON coins if you wanted to make 6 figures. Isn't it a large sum of money after all? While we are seeing a shift away from the traditional trading methods and towards cryptocurrency trading, we are also seeing that the Dogelon is one of the most promising cryptocurrencies accessible right now. According to our research, by looking at an estimate based on it, we can see that it is expected to expand in the next few years, and the least amount of investment is required. So even if it doesn't go as far as we expect, you will still earn a substantial amount of money. Using the current price of $0.000001061, you would need to invest $706 to $7,000 to genuinely make 6 figures, depending on your investment strategy. What do you think about the prediction? Do you think it is worth it to invest $1,000 in Dogelon Mars now? Let us know in the comment section. This brings us to the end of today's video. I hope you had fun watching it. Give us a like if you did, and subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the world of cryptocurrencies. Also, activate the bell to make sure you definitely won't miss any of our future videos. Enjoy your day, and I'll see you in the next video.